Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your passwords from Google Chrome into 1Password. To do that, you want to go ahead and open up your 1Password admin console and click your account on the upper right hand side. Then click and import data. From here, choose Google Chrome and go ahead and click on next. You can now choose a vault that you want to import the data into. I'm going to choose the shared one right here as an example. Click on next. Now you want to click on select file and choose your password CSV file. Click open, click on continue, and you'll be able to upload your password into 1Password. And if you don't know how to get your CSV file for passwords, that's super easy. All you have to do, guys, is go ahead and click the three that's on the upper right hand side in Chrome. Go down to where it says settings. And from here, choose autofill and passwords on the left side and click on the Google Password Manager. Then click on settings. And from here, you'll find export password. Click on download file and it's going to download it as a CSV file that you can go ahead and import right into 1Password. And that's it.